Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to duplicate slides in Canva. So here I'm currently opening a presentation project in Canva and I want to duplicate this slides. So I want to double the slide here. All I have to do is just click here, click on the slides here, and then click on duplicate. And after you click that, you can see that now the 5th slide is duplicated to the 6th slide. And you can edit the 6th slide like this. So that's how you duplicate a slides in Canva. It's so easy, you can just do it in your iPhone. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And leave a comment if you have something you want to share to us or some question that you want to ask to us. And I'll see you in other tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.